is in a bedroom, just not our bedroom.
Gear up.
I can't stand when the sun is like full power. Wow.
50%. 50%. 50%.
What prop job did you bring?
My orange 3D plane is already cleared away.
Oh, so you're done flying that one.
Yeah, I'm done with that one.
50%.
What you got left?
Well, I was getting ready to put. I was going to show you the. I was going to
Time
show you the
remaining
difference
3
between the F-22 and the Biz Jet. It's huge.
Yeah.
I'm like 3/4 of an inch back. I'm going to try about an inch. My problem is once you get to an inch back, now you only have one of the straps, but that's okay because I put Velcro in.
Time remaining
Oh
1
my
minute.
gosh.
Yeah,
You put Velcro in.
I took your rubber out. Put Velcro in. In fact, funny thing was I had the Velcro was so strong I had to take it out and put a smaller piece.
50%.
It's like, did you ever fly one of these yet? What?
More flight time than that. Look at that thing float down. You even have the flaps out?
Nope.
Wow, that's pretty good. See, it's like how Peter's out right there at full power.
Uh-huh.
The Biz Jet would not. I do like that. I do really a cruising, you know.
Yeah, that's what I... And now you should be able to see that green.
Yeah. Oh, like I say, I'm seeing it all a lot better than I did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I never even, honest to God, noticed that those green ones on the bottom were there.
Gear up.
Notice that?
50%.
You barely notice the winds in days like today.
50%.
Oh, good to hear that. You're getting
Ah, dang it. I went off by like the length of the plane.
Oh, man.
Oh, that's funny.
50.
Oh.
Flaps up. 25%. 50%.
Literally went off. I'm not even sure the main gear were off.
50%. 50%.
Yeah, this thing is awesome in the landing. Yeah. It's so forgiving.
50%. 50%.
You oil these gears or something, the thing rolls forever.
25%. 50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. 50%. 25%. Zero. 25%. 50%. 25%. 0. Reverse ball.
See the Fly Navy on the top of the wing.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. I love
Hey.
it, baby. How little the flaps and flats on all this.